That's creepy. That's kind of what happens on the channel though.
Yeah!
Hello. Hi pals! Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I'm SB Mitch, welcome to the channel. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram at the handle on your screen right now, and I also have a website. It's called ransomnotesneakers.com, which is short for .commercial. Internet knowledge. Anything I pull out of this box and other boxes is there for sale unless it's sold on GOAT before it gets to the website. So hey, there's that. Usually I unbox Soul Supremacy beater boxes, but today is a little different. Today we have a box from COOLKICKS. Now, aside from the fact that it sounds like a 3-year-old named their company, I ordered this box about 2 weeks ago. It took about a week and a half for them to get back to me to say, oops, we forgot. So after I reached out to them, they actually sent it pretty quick, so that's pretty cool. But the nice thing about this thing is you don't have to be a member or anything to get it. These boxes are set up differently. These are definitely quantity over quality boxes, so you're not gonna get much hype stuff in here. This box was $1,000 plus I think 15 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Yeah, 15 bucks. 15 simoleons. So that means this box cost me $1,015. You can follow along with Clarence to see how much each shoe is worth according to secondary market data, and then we'll break it down at the end to show you how much I paid versus the actual market value. So let's open the box up and almost fall out of my chair. Let's open the box and see what's inside. I'm sure most of you folks have seen Untied Hawaii's $4,000 video. It wasn't that good. But the $2,000 and $1,000 ones were not bad. So that's kind of why I pulled the trigger on this. So it could go one of two ways, bad or good, which is the option for everything. So we're open here. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Quite a bit loose shoes, so we'll get this out of the way first. So the first thing out is a size, what size is this son of a gun here? Size men's 7. Very lightly worn. This is a pair of Converse All-Stars. You can see the Chuck Taylor All-Star on the side. It's a high top, cream upper, cream midsole, and like black toe box. Simple, size 7. Don't know much about Cons. I know it's owned by Nike, but I mean, very little wear on the bottoms. These are good shape, loose shoe. Probably not much value because Chuck Taylors are just not really valuable. So there's your first shoe out. Pancake's down here too. Pancake, you wanna say hi? Say hi, Pancake. Look at that tongue. Good girl. Okay, let's keep going. Loose shoes. We have a pair of 7s. Let's see, what size is this? This is a size US 12, very lightly worn pair of Barcelona Knights in a size 12, like I said. Very lightly worn, a little bit of wear on the bottoms. I mean, you can see this, still see the 30th anniversary on the insole. Not bad shape, just no box. Value on these is probably between 100 and 125. That's my wild guess though, but there's a second shoe out. Barcelona Knights. 2 down, much more to go. Got a pair of 1s here. This is a size 11.5 pair of Air Jordan 1, no box. This is the Baron 1s. You can tell by the insole. Very similar to a Shima Dunk, but hey, the laces are a little bit different. I don't know if that's 3M, I doubt it, but this is just a really clean colorway. These are pretty worn. I mean, there's creasing, they're just dirtied up. The midsole is a little bit yellowed, which I can definitely fix up, but there's not much heel drag. Very little star loss on this shoe, at least. Yeah, these are in pretty solid shape. Size 11.5, Baron 1s, cool. Not too bad. After that, we have a grade school size. This is a size 5.5 youth. It's got the employee store or B grade stamp on it. This is an Air Jordan 12. I think these are cherry, maybe, or just university red. Not 100% sure. I'm not too good with 12, but again, very lightly worn, small size. Not much creasing on the toe box or anything, just no box. So I can't really complain. This is a pretty solid shoe. And back to school's coming up in a couple months, so kids might need shoes. So size 5.5 youth, B grades or employee store, Jordan 12s. One more loose pair. It's a size 10.5. This is the most recent release of this. An Air Jordan 1, New Love mid, suede on the upper and also leather, a lot of creasing. I mean, it's a mid. A little bit of wear on the bottoms that can be easily cleaned. Creasing on the toe box, it's a mid. Mids are just not as great as quality of the highs, but still a really cool shoe. I'm a big fan of this colorway though. This yellow and black just pops, and I'm not a Steelers fan either, so. 10.5, New Love mids, no box, decent shape, just need to be cleaned up. Cool, so there's 5 loose shoes and looks like 5 boxes. This here size 12, Air Jordan 1 Retro High. These are the Blake Griffin ones. I wasn't sure if they were the Carmens or the Blake Griffin ones, but they are the Blake Griffin ones. You can tell by the logo on the tongue. I mean, these look like they're very lightly worn too. Very little wear on the bottoms. There's some stones in there. But it comes with the box, which is a little beat up, and the shoe itself is in decent shape. A little bit of creasing on the toe box. Clean colorway. I'm not a fan of red, but when a shoe has a white vamp with red around it, I'm okay with it. So size 12, Blake Griffin ones. Let's grab this. This box wanted to come out. So this is a size 8 Nike Air Fear of God 1. It's got the box. It might be dead stock. I doubt it. Yeah, these are very lightly worn. These are the Air Raids in the cream or sail colorway, I guess you could say. Is that what it's called? Light bone, I guess. Very, very, very little wear on the bottoms. This was a release that just didn't hit. I mean, not like the Air Fear of God 1s and all that stuff, but I've never actually seen a Fear of God Nike collab in my hands before. Not really a fan of the colorway, but pretty clean if you're into this, but size 8, good size. Comes with the original box, very lightly worn, easy 9 out of 10 condition. So that's cool. So we got 3 more in here. I'm gonna get this out of the way. This is a size 10.5. This is a pair of dead stock McChickens, or Yebras, or whatever people call them. I've called them the Pebras before, but it's a much more fluorescent yellow. So when these came out, these were like it. People were paying massive amounts of money for them, and now they're down probably around retail, but I do not mind this colorway. I think this is probably one of the only Yeezy colorways I would ever wear. I do not wear Yeezys anyway though, because they have too thin of an upper, but there you go, size 10.5, Yebra. That's not too bad. 2 more in here. Let's grab this here. This is a size 8 Nike Air Max 97 On Air. It's one of the recent collabs, I can tell by the box. This is the Soul 97s. This is actually a dead stock pair too. I actually got a pair of these. Wanted to see if my buddy wanted them, but he did not. These were supposedly super hyped, but then when people got them in hand, they were like, wow, it feels kind of cheap. I thought it was not the greatest quality. This thing going on around here is not too awesome, but it's a clean shoe if you're into this kind of thing. I'm just not a fan of the colorway. The swoosh on the side panel is really nice. I will say that. That's a difference. Usually the swoosh is right down here, as you can see on this side, but definitely something you don't see on an Air Max 97 very much. But there you go, size 8. So Nike Air Max 97. 1 more in here. I haven't seen any of these in hand, so I'm kind of excited. This is a recent release, I think from last week, so it's kind of surprising I got it so fast. This is a Nike Blazer Mid Sakai collaboration. Let's see what colorway it is. In a size 6.5, by the way, so it's a little bitty size. I much prefer the yellow colorway, but this is really clean too. Yeah, these are dead stock. Okay, good. So it's the blue collaboration of the blue colorway of the Blazer collaboration. The nice thing about this collaboration, I kind of dug the yellow ones. These are kind of cool too. They pull stuff from a Nike Dunk, which you don't see on Blazers very often, which I think is really, really cool. Dual lacing, which is really, really neat in my opinion. Just a small size, which is kind of a bummer. But yeah, this is actually surprisingly cool in hand. I do not mind these. There you go. 6.5 Blazer Mid Sakai collaboration in the blue colorway. So there you go. That is a $1,000 Cool Kicks beater box, I guess you could say. I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. Let's go ahead and give it a grade. 3 categories: condition, sizes, and hype/value. Let's do condition first. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pairs of shoes in this $1,000 Cool Kicks box, and 3 of them are dead stock. A lot of them don't have boxes though. Condition on this box, we'll say about a C+. Sizes we have 7, 12, 11.5, 5.5 youth, 10.5, 12, 8, 10.5, 8 again, and 6.5. Sizes are all over the place. Nothing huge, nothing super small. I kind of got to give it up. The sizes on this box are pretty decent. So sizes, we'll say about a B+. Hype/value. Again, this is a quantity over quality situation, but even the stuff in here has some hype left because it's pretty recent. So hype/value on this box, I got to give it an A-. So with the grade of C+ for condition, the grade of B+ for sizes, and the grade of A- for hype/value, this $1,000 Cool Kicks box gets a letter grade of B+. So I gave this very first Cool Kicks box on the channel a B+, but let's look at the numbers. Take it away, me. Big dog! I don't hate it. I'm not gonna lie, I do not hate it. I much prefer Soul Supremacy beater boxes because I like the quality over quantity aspect. Cool Kicks boxes, buy them at your own risk. I'm not gonna endorse them. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just wanted to check it out because I know that Untitled Hawaii was opening their boxes too. The $1,000 ones and the $2,000 ones aren't bad. I mean, if you got the time to clean them up, if you got the resources to sell them, not bad. These shoes will probably be on sale sometime eventually at ransomnotesneakers.com, which is my website. Pleasantly surprised, not gonna lie. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. More beater boxes on the way, more fun stuff, probably more awesome songs with the ukulele. So till next time, take care of each other and remember to treat people the way you want to be treated. Toodly-doo!